Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to turn your apartment living room into Boj Oasis. If you're like me, you spend a lot of time in your living room. It's where you entertain guests, watch your favorite shows, and relax after a long day. So why not make it look and feel luxurious? Let's start with the basics. Furniture. When it comes to Bosch living rooms, quality is key. Invest in comfortable, stylish couch that last you for years to come. I recommend opting for a neutral color like beige, white, or grey as they are timeless or easy to decorate around. Next up, let's talk about accessories. Bosch living rooms are all about the little details. Add some throw pillows in a fun pattern or texture to your couch or a pop of color. For a pop of color, a fluffy rug can add some texture and warmth to the room. Now let's move on the lighting. Harsh overhead lighting can ruin the cozy vibe of your living room. Instead, opt for warm, soft lighting with table lamps or floor lamps. String lights can also add a cozy touch. One of my favorite ways to make a living room look bold is adding some art to the wall. You don't need to spend a fortune on original artwork. There are plenty of affordable prints and posters available online. Mix and match different sizes and styles for an eclectic look. Last but not least, don't forget about plants. They are a great way to add some color and life to your living room. Choose plants that are easy to care for, like succulents or snake plants, and that's it. With these simple tips, you can turn your apartment living room into a Bosch oasis. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and how to elevate your home decor. I transformed my boarding apartment living room into a gorgeous oasis. As you see, my living room used to be pretty plain and inviting, but with a few simple changes, I was able to turn it into a space that I was absolutely love spending time in. The first thing was upgrade my couch and rug. I found this beautiful velvet couch that adds a touch of luxury to the room and paired it with a plush shag rug that feels amazing for touch. Next, I added some new artwork and decorative accents to the room. I found this stunning abstract painting that ties together all the colors in the room and added some decorative pillows and candles to bring some texture and warmth to the space. Finally, I changed out the fixtures to add some ambience to the room. I found those beautiful pendant lights that add a warm glow to the space and make it feel and cozy and inviting. And there you have it, Boj apartment living room. I hope this video has inspired you to make some changes to your own space and turn it into a place that you loving come home to. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.